Hi everybody, my name is Enix and welcome back to my channel. In today's content, we are going back to my most favorite guitarist, Alip Bata. And I miss Alip Bata also. It's very long time ago since the last time that I made a reaction vlog to Alip Bata, and I miss his fingerstyle cover. So in today's content, nakaka-relate na naman tayo. Kasi the title of the song is, by the way, it's from Air Supply. And the title of the song is Goodbye. So what? From Alone to Unbreak My Heart, and now it's goodbye time. So without further ado, let's make a reaction now to Alip Bata featuring the fingerstyle cover Goodbye by, ay nakalimutan na, by Air Supply. So there you have it. It's Alip Bata. I miss him so bad. Grabe, I miss his music. I miss the way he played the guitar. And grabe, I feel so overwhelmed right now. So Alip Bata, actually, Alip Bata, it's been a long, long time since the last time I saw you close, no? You are still so simple. Oh, there's something about Alip talaga na until now, he is remarkable for me. Not only his talent, but Alip Bata is the first Indonesian artist that I made a reaction before I got trending. He's my first 1,000 views trending from my YouTube channel. And of course, because of the you guys, the Indonesian followers and fans of Alip Bata. And I would like to say thank you so much. His talent is way more better than before. Alip is Alip. We all know that Alip Bata is very talented. Just a simple guy with an extreme magical talent. And that's so unbelievable with him. What else? With or without a good technology, even he's using just a simple acoustic guitar, he still have this extreme talent. This is what I'm always telling. I can feel his emotion through his finger style, the way he played the guitar. And that's what I love about instrument and the musician. Every time that I watch Alibata or live bands, I'm not only watching how they play. I mean, I'm not only watching the singers only. I'm not watching how they play the instrument, but I also watching them how do they express the music through their hands. And of course, they're using the hands, the talents, but the emotion inside, I can still see that. I can also see that. Really love hearing those kind of instrument, guitar. Parang even I'm thinking about so many problems right now, but every time I watch Alibata and hearing the how he played the guitar, can easily forget everything. Yun yung magic ng guitar niya. This version, the Goodbye, supposed to be it's a very sad song. So during the time that I was closing my eyes and listening to the Goodbye cover, guitar cover of Alibata, it sounds like romantic, no? Ang galing. He turned those broken-hearted song into a very romantic one. That's the one thing I love about him. I don't feel anything that makes me down because I don't know, I fell in love with the music. So if I'm gonna make a goodbye, spoken words, goodbye. Thank you for the broken heart. I let myself free from the heartaches and from the tears. Ah, so goodbye. Goodbye loneliness, goodbye anxiety, goodbye depression, goodbye broken hearts, goodbye loneliness, goodbye overthinking, goodbye love life. From now on, I will take care of myself and loving myself even more. So I'll say goodbye to all of you because I am happy just being alone. So there you have it. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you for those people who support me all the way since yesterday again. And I told you it's like starting all over again and again. I mean, for me, it's like a comeback with this reaction vlog. Thank you also to the Indonesian followers who requested this who request this one, that I need to make a reaction to Alipata. Of course, I miss Alipata, as I told you. So there you have it. Thank you so much. And please stay tuned for more reaction video. And if you want me to make a reaction to your favorite artist, please do comment down below and we are going to make a reaction with that. Still here, and I would like to say goodbye. See you tomorrow. And always to choose your heart. Much love from Philippines. This is Enix signing off. See you again tomorrow. Bye.